The ongoing COVID-19 crisis has put pressure on all of us. Among all those impacted since the start of the pandemic, one group has met incredible challenges: our healthcare workers.
As members of your local board of directors, we wanted to do something to let you, our dedicated healthcare workers, know how much you matter to this world.
We strongly support our doctors, nurses, respiratory therapists, housekeepers, and all of our hospital and clinic staff as they unselfishly continue to serve our communities.
Our healthcare heroes continue to show up every day and night, working tirelessly, often sacrificing time with their own families and friends.
Your perseverance, resilience, and commitment is inspiring. The dedication and courage you display deserves our deepest gratitude.
Thank you to our valued team members at UnityPoint Health. You can help honor healthcare workers by masking up, staying home when you're ill, and getting the COVID-19 vaccine.